Beyoncé is wearing all of this Levi denim, and it's getting some trend right now, and it's Levi jeans in a new Western, so it's getting a lot of attention. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. You like a bit of Beyoncé? Well, you like making money on Levi Strauss. We covered the earnings last night, but it's all to do with this. Beyoncé is sporting Levi jeans. Yes, she is, and a little bit of attention is getting put on the stock right now. And Levi jeans has taken off. It's up 13.4%. Now, if you followed the stock, it's a kind of a sleeper stock, but it's all happened because Beyoncé is wearing all of this Levi denim, and it's getting some trend right now, and it's Levi jeans in a new Western, so it's getting a lot of attention, and you might want to find an entry point to this. It might be a good time because Levi now all of a sudden is getting a lot of attention and the stock is up. Now, if you want more information than just Beyoncé wearing some Levi jeans, I would suggest you look at the figures. Now, last night we covered the earnings for you, so you might like to look at the actual numbers and the figures, and these are some of the figures. As you can see, the stock is showing undervalued by 13%. There's undervalue here. Let's scroll down and see what else we've got. You can see, look at this, 6.2 billion revenue moving up, but it's getting a lot of traction right now. It's trading up, operating income is up 2%. Scroll down, the company's got 6.1 billion in assets, 4 billion in liabilities, of which long-term debt is 1 billion. So their balance sheet is okay. Let's scroll down, look at the gross margins moving up as well. And as we talk about this, the stock is still moving. It's trending at the moment on YouTube and the music channels with Beyoncé wearing these Levi jeans. Everyone's sort of, a younger generation are moving into Levi jeans. Let me show you some more figures that you might find interesting. Scrolling on down, the profitability of the score is 60%, which is good for the clothing industry. 55% solvency. It's been around for a number of years. It's a shame it's not higher, but nevertheless. Now then, look at this. We've got a 1% downside from Wall Street, but remember, Wall Street aren't really any good so this is before all the hype. Wall Street aren't very good at being able to value a stock on a hype like this. So they're saying it's a downside. There's not really much in it. But at the end of the day, the stock is moving up, and we scroll down and let's have a look at the buyers. A little bit of a warning though. Some of the insiders have already taken some profit. You can see there, no buying, just some selling, because the stock goes sideways for the longest time, and now we've got a little bit of an upswing. Some people are taking profits, and there's nothing wrong with that. Do we have any short interest? Well, we do, and you don't really get stocks like this with short interest typically, but we are now seeing a short interest because people always want to try and go against it as well. They're seeing a trend and think, no, it's running ahead too much. We want to short the stock and make money that way. But look, we talked about it. Levi Strauss is in the news again because of the earnings and Beyoncé and sentiment. Finally, let's look at sentiment. Sentiment is up to date 7 days. If we go over the 90 days, there was 50% sentiment positive. Then it moved up to 72, and now it's 85. As you can see, exactly what I'm saying. Sentiment is moving in the right direction towards this stock. So people love it, and it's all because of Beyoncé. It was even covered in the earnings last night. They even mentioned the power of this and what this has done to the stock. So this video and all of this going on with Beyoncé has made a difference. So what do you do about it? Well, I'm going to give you the link above my head and down below in the description for the extra channel down here as well. But also over here, I'll post the earnings from last night. You might want to go and check out the numbers and see if there's an entry point for you. I am bullish on the stock. I think this will trend for a while. I think this will do well for a while. You've got a decent dividend, not the best, but okay. It kind of runs like the S&P, if you like. But now you've got that little extra boost. A solid company. It's not going anywhere. And now it's trending all over the place. Anyway, thank you, Beyoncé, for your little bit of an introduction there. It's making a lot of people who didn't normally know about Levi's get involved, and we appreciate that as investors. So thank you very much. Above my head, down below, extra channel, and over here and over here. Until next time, as always, you never know what's around the corner, do you? You wake up one day and the world's on fire. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.